Uh, buddy, all I have is night shift. Are you, man? Like, why can't you come with me in that bottle of tea? I can't see, and you'll me. Okay, sorry. I can't see. What you mean? I'm not pee. I'm just gonna see. Yo. Work at hospital until you find out what's really happening. I'm scared. Hey, I don't like this music. You know what? So I show my face. Guys, comment if I should show my face next video. Next video is gonna be the same game. Hello, my name is Salah. I have application. I have appointment. I called it application mode. Oh, am I saying the D down? Okay. Oh, on shift 1, everybody's normal. You don't even need to check their thingy. And another tip is if you go over here, on shift 1, the first person always wants this item. You want to grab that, and you want to grab eye drops because second person wants eye drops. Give Bo his Harveys. This guy's normal because on shift 1, everybody's normal. And there's usually like 30 people on shift 1 or 2. I got room 2. Alright, broski. I'm the bed monster. I actually played this game before. I like the surgery class in this game on my old account. Dude, I just farted. Get back, shot! Doctor is arriving. I like this music. Hey, yo, the person that we had in the server left. You must be new hire. Oh, yeah, buddy. Cameras. Oh, yeah. We done that great. And I'm the best. Last time out, dude, every time I play Animal Hospital where he says I'm the best every single time. If I say I'm gonna let you be the best and talking to my friend, he's gonna be the best. But like this and the story, man. Kim's. It looks pretty normal. What was that sparkle? Why is there sparkles? Okay, whatever. There's a sparkle over there. Let me show you guys something. Bo was like, I'm not dead anymore. What that in maple syrup? Wow! What did he do? Why is he standing like that? Why is he standing like that? And why is Bo twitching? Oh yeah, I gotta fix him. Psych, he's a normal. Like, look through cams, man. He's black through cams. I want some back shots today. Hey! I'm here for my appointment, Bo said. You look normal, yes. Okay, this guy's like not normally. Okay, Bo's going in room 2 and taking these back shots while he's walking. And no! Watch this, guys. Give me my coffee, man. Dude, leave! What the fuck? Okay, whatever, the video's over. Make sure to like and subscribe.